This is a very quick walkthrough of Selar courses and how everything works. So the first thing you want to do is just create an account. If you don't have one, you can sign up. I have an account, so I'm just going to use the demo account. So once you're in the dashboard, so just to clarify, Selar's offering is still completely free. You only charge the small transaction charge for each like payment sale that you make. So everything here is sell ebooks, sell your services, subscription, tickets, and everything. It's still very free. However, we with the courses feature, which is like a very so courses are like a very expensive thing to host typically. So that's why we are like introducing like a subscription plan to it. And if you look at the offering for the subscription, it's really more around like courses and extra integration. So we will be doing like a bunch of things in the next couple of months where we would have like a lot of extra like services we'll be integrating with just to make your process of selling like very easy and smooth. So once you pick a plan, you simply pay for it and subscribe. So I already have one on this account. So I'm just going to go ahead to add the course product. So you open the menu, you click add product. First thing, select an image. And then I'm just going to say test product. So by default, if you're like Nigerian, once you're setting up your account on Selar, you set your default local currency, and that's what you have here. So this account was set up as a Nigerian account. So on the currency field, you see Naira there. And even though Selar allows you have 6 currencies, so what we do is we take the currency you set here, do an automatic conversion, and then when a user visits your store from maybe like the US, we typically convert the USD via like automatic rates and show them the USD amount and they can pay in USD. So, I mean, for some people, they typically don't want that automatically converted. Some of them have like fixed USD prices. So, if you want to set your own USD price or the price for any kind of currency, that's what this disclaimer here is saying. All you have to do is just click this. And I'm just going to do it for the purpose of this video and just set. So, I'm just going to say I want to set my USD price. And you can do the same thing for like GPB, but you don't really have to because we can automatically convert it for you. But if you want to set a price, check it. I'm going to update the details. The next thing is I'm just going to go back to my add product. Yeah, so now you can see I have like NGN and then I have USD. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the cost now. So I'm going to set the image. Let's just call this test course. Let's say this is 3,000. Let's say this is 4,000. And if you want to show a striked out price, so maybe you want to say that this is like a discounted cost, and you can just say, okay, it was 10,000 before, and then it was, actually, let's just set this to 40. And then let's say it was 70 before. And then you can add any description you want. This is my description section. And you can definitely be flexible with that. So on the product option types, you simply want to just do like courses, select the course. And for pre-order, what this really is if you maybe want to have a pre-sale for a course, you can just simply set a pre-order date and users can pay for the course before time and they wouldn't get access to it. So even if you're not ready, like with the course materials and everything, you can still just start collecting sales. And then later when you're ready, all you have to do is come back and update the products with the videos that you need. So this is not a pre-order product, so I'm not going to set it. And then for categories, I'm just going to do other for now. Doesn't really matter at this point. So yeah, next, save and set up curriculum. And that's really it. So you've created the product. It's kind of still in drafts. So now all you have to do is like manage the curriculum of the product. And what that means is if I click this and I could just go to the demo, and I see there's a demo course here. So, I mean, this is the curriculum typically where you have like all these things on the section. So that's really what you want to like replicate here. So you can, so for purpose of this video, I'm just going to call this like model 1. And then let's just call this like, this lecture, let's call this how to thrive. Let's call this how to live. And then maybe let's actually create a new model. So you actually have the option to create a new section, and as many sections as you want, really. Let's call this model 2, how to win. And one really nice thing is you can actually move this around. So you can move this around, change the order of how it's presented. I'm just going to move this for just to keep the structure we've made. And you can also drag the individual elements out. So I can just bring this down to here if I want. So that's the course curriculum. And so the next step really is you can set a preview video if you want. I'm going to go back to that in a bit. So now let's upload all our videos. So if you click the batch upload videos, you get this really big disclaimer. And what it's really saying is we recommend people try to upload videos between 30 to 70 MB. And this is not like compulsory. You still have the option to upload videos of over like up to like 750 MB. The only reason we recommend this is because I'll give you an example. If a customer pays for your course and one video is 500 MB, it just means that they would have to spend 500 MB watching that video. And for a lot of people, that's a lot. So you definitely want to try to be considerate of the size of the videos when you're setting them up. And if you're now also concerned that, okay, how do I get that? That seems like a very impossible task. So we shared this tool. It's called Handbrake. And it's a free tool. It's on Windows and it's on Mac, on Mac OS. And really, you can download it and set it up in like a second. We also added a YouTube video tutorial where we kind of just give you a walkthrough. And the really nice thing is the compression of this is really amazing. It keeps the quality. I'm not going to play this, but it keeps the quality. On our video test, we moved from about 500 MB to about 50 MB. So that's a lot of like compression, and it's good. The quality is good. You can play around it if you want. So I'm just gonna upload the videos. So I have recorded this video like 5 times already. So all these videos are already uploaded, but just for the sake, let's just do 2 videos. And give it a sec. So it should be uploading now. Yeah. So the good thing is you can upload all the videos you want at one time. And then on the course lecture sections, you just have to select the videos that you've uploaded. So I will show you that in a second. Okay, so I'm just going to click done. It's just going to refresh the page. So let's start with setting the preview video. So you can come here, set the preview video, and you just have this long list of all the videos you've uploaded. You can just name them correctly so you can find them. And then you just click save. So that's the preview video is set. You want to go back to so now let's just edit the course content videos. So you want to do how to try. I'm just going to pick a random video and I'm just saying, this is a good model. I'm just going to save. You don't need to save a description, but this is whatever description you set here would be available to your viewers. So the next thing would be manage lecture content here too. Same thing. Just select a random video, select the video that you want for that lecture. Click save. The next thing, so let's do the last one. And select the video. I'm just gonna do 2. I don't know if I've selected that already. And that's really it. So I've uploaded all my videos. I've set the videos for each lecture. Now I'm going to go back to my edit product page. And I mean, so we have this option actually for you to add image reviews, because typically when people sell courses, they like to show reviews from other people. And sometimes they already have like reviews of their services. So I have some screenshots of some reviews. So you want to just upload the screenshots. I love this particular review. It's from Trisha Bees, and she was very kind enough to just give us like a shout out after using our platform once. And then she's been with us for a while. So I really like this one, so I'm gonna use this. And then I'm gonna say update. So now that that's updated, I mean, I'm ready to go. Course is uploaded. I'm just gonna click publish. And it's available now. So you can click this link, go here, and voila, this is your course. So this is the model. These are the models that you have. Yep, and everything is here. You can watch the preview video, and I mean, this is how your users would experience the course. And then all the reviews will show up here. You can click to see more details. So let's just buy the course and see like what the experience is going to be for your users. I'm just going to click. Let me just switch the currency to Naira. So this is like a demo account, so the payment isn't real in this case. Let's just go with Douglas, and then let's go with hello at selar.co. I'm going to click pay now. It's going to do this. I'm going to click pay now. So I mean, on a typical case, your customers would have the option to pay with your card or whatever extra payment options, USSD, bank accounts, PayPal, Stripe, and many other options. So yep, so after they pay, they see this receipt, they're going to click access course. So if they aren't signed up, so what actually happens is, so if they aren't signed up, all they have to do is just create an account and they'll be redirected right away. So I already have an account. I'm just going to click login and you get redirected to this page immediately. So this is the course. This is what they see. This is, they can play this. They can also play this and they can just like move. And I mean, in the first model, which we called model 1, you can see the description that you had there. So that's really the whole experience. Everything is very straightforward from uploading it to your customers paying and watching the videos. And we hope you love this. Thank you.